In this video, I'm going to share some tips for investing as a beginner. Investing is a great way to grow your wealth over time, but it can be intimidating if you're just starting out. So, let's start with the basics. There are three main types of investments: stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Stocks represent ownership in a company, and their value can rise or fall based on the company's performance. Bonds are a type of loan to a company or government, and they offer a fixed rate of return over a set period of time. Mutual funds are a collection of stocks and bonds that are managed by a professional investment manager. When deciding which type of investment to make, it's important to consider your risk tolerance. Stocks tend to offer higher returns but come with higher risk, while bonds offer more stable returns but lower potential for growth. Once you've decided on your investment strategy, the next step is to choose an investment platform. There are many online brokers and investment apps to choose from, each with its own fees and features. One of these platforms, a Robinhood and mobile app-based brokerage firm that allows users to invest in stocks, ETFs, options, and cryptocurrencies without paying traditional commission fees. The app is known for its user-friendly interface, streamlined trading process, and free trades. Users can also access market news, research reports, and real-time market data through the app. However, it has faced criticism for its limited customer support and occasional technical glitches. Additionally, Robinhood has recently faced regulatory scrutiny over its handling of the GameStop stock frenzy in early 2021. Another investment app is Webull. Webull is a commission-free investment app that allows users to trade stocks, ETFs, options, and cryptocurrencies. It provides a variety of market data and research tools, including real-time market data, news, charts, and financial calendars. Users can also access margin trading and short selling with no account minimums. Webull offers a range of educational resources to help users improve their trading skills, including video tutorials, articles, and a demo account for practice trading. However, it also has some limitations, such as limited customer support and a lack of access to mutual funds and bonds. Do your research to find the platform that best suits your needs and budget. When investing, it's important to diversify your portfolio. This means investing in a variety of assets to reduce your overall risk. For example, you might invest in a mix of stocks, bonds, and mutual funds across different industries and sectors. Here are some tips for beginners who are interested in investing. 1. Start with a plan, set your investment goals and create a plan that aligns with your objectives. Determine your risk tolerance, investment timeline, and the amount of money you are willing to invest. 2. Learn the basics. Before investing, it's essential to have a basic understanding of investing principles, such as diversification, risk, and asset allocation. 3. Start with low-risk investments. Consider starting with low-risk investments, such as index funds or exchange-traded funds, ETFs, which provide diversification and lower fees than actively managed funds. 4. Invest consistently. Set a regular investment schedule and stick to it. Consistent investment over time can help smooth out market fluctuations and reduce risk. 5. Be patient. Investing is a long-term game. Don't get discouraged by short-term market volatility, and avoid making emotional decisions based on short-term fluctuations. 6. Keep learning. Continuously educate yourself about investing strategies and financial markets to make informed investment decisions. Finally, it's important to have a long-term mindset when investing. Investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme, and it's important to be patient and stick to your investment strategy even in times of market volatility. Remember, investing can be a great way to grow your wealth over time, but it's important to do your research, diversify your portfolio, and have a long-term mindset. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.